Parking just got easier with Parksense Active Park Assist. If equipped, the system finds an appropriate parking spot for your vehicle, then guides you through parallel or perpendicular parking maneuvers to make the whole process hassle-free. Active Park Assist is a semi-automatic system, since the driver maintains control of the accelerator, gear selector, and brakes. To turn it on, push the Active Park Assist switch on the switch panel below the Uconnect display. Push the left or right arrow buttons on the left side of the steering wheel to choose either parallel parking or perpendicular parking. Then, use your turn signal to let the system know if you'll be parking to the right or to the left. Follow the visual directions in your instrument cluster display. The system will then take control of your steering wheel, and Active Park Assist will guide you safely into the parking spot. To leave a parallel parking spot, make sure the Active Park Assist is on and use the left or right arrow buttons to select Parallel Park Exit in the instrument cluster display. Now, apply your turn signal in the direction you want to exit and follow the directions in your instrument cluster display. Remember, always check your entire surroundings when using this feature. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.